Good day, sir and madam. I'm Jennifer Fajardo Manuel, 44 years old, married, blessed with 7 children. I am a high school graduate. I'm from Philippines. I work in Kingdom in Saudi Arabia for 2 years. They have 5 family members, 2 adults and 3 children, and 1 year in Qatar as a nanny and helper. They are 3 members of the family, 2 adults and 1 kid. My main duties is cooking, cleaning, iron, washing clothes, and take care of children and newborn babies. Sir and Madam, if you choose me as your helper and nanny, I will do my best. And I will take care of your children as my own. I'm a hardworking, trustworthy, honest, and dedicated to my work. Thank you, Madam, and have a nice day. God bless.